Hey everyone, I'm Rhonda, the Mature Diva, and I love talking about all products and services that benefit the ladies over 50. Today, we're talking about the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. Now, this was gifted by Estee Lauder, and this is a beautiful shade. This is 6C. Check this out. This is a beautiful, lightweight, medium to full coverage concealer. Ladies, I am a huge fan of Estee Lauder products, and I've been wearing Estee Lauder for decades. But this is the first time that I'm taking the time to show you how I get ready with Estee Lauder products. So we're going to start by talking about the Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer. Now, I'm such a fan that I'm actually here with no makeup on, so we're going to show you the entire process to get ready with me. Before I start with concealer or my foundation, I love to use my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing Balm, and I love this a lot. As you can see, there's hardly any left, so I need to get some more. So after I'm finished cleansing my face, I like to follow up with the Estee Lauder Nutritious Melting Soft Cream Mask. So you just, let me show you this. It's a beautiful cream. And you just apply this to your skin, then leave on for about 5 minutes and wipe off with a tissue. And then, depending on if it's daytime or nighttime, if it's nighttime, I will definitely follow with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is a staple in my routine and has been for years. So, my younger divas out there, if you're saying that Estee Lauder may be a little bit too mature for you, think about this. If you see a mature lady and her skin is just beautiful, ask her what her skincare routine is. And I will bet you Estee Lauder is part of their routine. So now that we have all of the cleansing and the moisturizing done, let's start with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I love a great natural looking makeup finish. I have rocked that look for years. I have tried the other ways with the contouring and the highlighting, and it's great for when I go out, but I prefer a natural look day to day. So this is perfect. We're just going to open this up and let me show you this beautiful shade number one, 6C, and this great wand. Now, this wand is going to allow you to apply it exactly where you need it. You see that? I was able to go in and just target the areas right under my eyes. I have a dark spot right here, and I also have a few spots of concern under my neck that I like to use concealer on. And then sometimes I also need to clean up my brow line. So that is perfect to go around and just do that. And I also have a little spot right here. And I'm going to apply right here on the bridge of my nose. So next, I like to take my beauty blender and just blend that out so that it looks nice and smooth in the areas of concern. This is how things look with just my concealer. And as you can see, it has covered the areas that I want it to be covered. And this is a medium to full coverage concealer, but it also feels lightweight. So you don't feel like you've got a heavy coat of something on your face before you even put your foundation on. So now we're ready for the foundation. And yes, I am using Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. And this is the color 6C2, which is pecan. And it truly does complement my concealer, which is 6C. All of the products that I use from Estee Lauder are available on the Ulta.com website. And I'm going to link everything that I'm using down below so that you can get your hands on Estee Lauder Beauty. So what I like to do is pat my foundation with my new makeup brush from Ulta. And I'm just going to pat that in. One thing I love is being able to apply my makeup efficiently and quickly because I don't have a lot of time in the morning. Or let me restate that. I don't like to spend a lot of time in the morning. I have the time, but I would rather sleep. So I don't invest a lot of time into a lot of layers of makeup because like I said, I prefer a natural look. So I am actually getting the results that I really, really like. I'm going to go into here under my neck, make sure that's covered. Get in here. Now, I have oily skin. So one of the things that I love about the Estee Lauder concealer and the foundation is that it doesn't change colors on me during the day. I work long hours during the day, so it's really important that my foundation does not start to turn orange. Another thing that I really love about this concealer is that I'm going to get in really close here, but you can see that it doesn't settle into the fine lines that are underneath my eyes, and it doesn't settle into my laugh lines. And that is so important. I've used a little misting spray, and now I'm going to apply the, of course, Estee Lauder mascara to my lashes. And I just use a light coat because I'm going to work, so I really don't need a glamorous lash look at work. But I do like the look of finished lashes. What do you think? I like it. Okay, I have finished my look. I have my powder on. My lashes are done. And I just could not finish this look out without Estee Lauder Beautiful Magnolia. It is such a beautiful scent. So let's review what we've used. I have used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in 6C. I have used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation in 6C2, which is Pecan. At night, I've been using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is a staple in my routine. I've been using the Estee Lauder Nutritious Melting Soft Cream Mask. And of course, my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing Balm. Let me not forget the Estee Lauder Mascara, as well as the beautiful Magnolia scent by Estee Lauder. So there you have it. This is my soft matte Estee Lauder look that I wear every day. It's my preferred look. I hope you like it. I'll have details below on how to get all of the Estee Lauder products on Ulta. And I'll see you in the next video.